Hi everybody, Marshie Morgan here. And if you remember, I made a video ranting about not being able to extract out my mileage for 2024 and a workaround for it. But guess what? I was so irritated with trying to put it in uh, manually again. And then if you made a mistake, you couldn't delete it. So I was looking for how to fix that. And guess what? You can't. Once it's there, it's there. Unless you do it on your mobile app. Okay. So I found, and I want to give a shout out to this guy right here, or gal, whoever it is, that gave a rant on Reddit because they gave us the solution. So thank you, thank you, thank you. You've saved me hours and hours of time. So I'm going to walk through that process with you. So, as you're aware, when you go to enter your mileage, it looks like this. Now I have QuickBooks Desktop Pro 2024. And when you go, you see all of my mileage for 2024 is in there. But when you go to run the report, it wasn't there. Now, the reason it wasn't there is when you go to edit. Now, here's where the magic begins. So take close note. You go up here to edit. You go down here to preferences, time and expenses. Okay, time and expenses, company preferences, and you'll scroll down to the bottom and you'll see where it says track mileage. There's a basic version and an advanced version. So I believe that QuickBooks Pro and Premier 23 and 24 and probably 25 are going to say automatically advanced version. Now, what does that look like? So, what that looks like, if you're used to putting in your mileage this way, it shows that your mileage is there. But when you go to run your report, it's it's not there. What do I mean by that? What? Okay, well, I guess it will be because I did basic one time. No, no. Okay. So what happened is this is where I was putting it in manually, right? I put it in manually and I ended up making a mistake and I put it in twice. Well, you can't delete this in this new advanced version. You cannot delete it. It is a pain in the butt. The only way it can be adjusted is in the event that you did it on your phone. All right. Because if you see, there's no mileage entered for 2025 here, besides this one where I just made something up, right? When I was on the phone with them for 2 hours, meaning QuickBooks. QuickBooks doesn't care, guys. You have to support people that are putting out this information by liking and putting comments. So, how do we fix it? How do we get that data? Okay, so this is the old view. And what we do is we go to edit, preferences, and you scroll down to the very last one, hopefully on yours, and it says time and expenses. You're looking for time and expenses. Under time and expenses, you have my preferences and you have company preferences. Under company preferences, you go all the way down and you see basic, and you're going to click basic. And it says you're about to change to basic. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, I'm very sure I want to continue. So you push yes and you say okay. Now, when we go back and look, you're going to see when we go to this mileage report for last year, last tax year, all of my data is there now. Huh, go figure. So what I'm getting at, folks, is that if this helped you in any way, please like, share, and subscribe. This is the workaround. It is in your preferences, okay? By going to edit and preferences. Now, why QuickBooks had me on the phone for over 2.5 hours and couldn't use this as their first place to go, I do not know. But this right here saved me hours of entering my mileage all over again. So hats off to the person on Reddit. Thank you for watching and thank you for your love. Have a great day and be blessed. Bye bye.